Hey YouTube, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel. And also make sure you check out my website, daytradingfearless.com, for the S&P E-mini futures weekly trade zones, and also my Patreon page. The links are down below in the description. But as always, let's jump right into this video. This is the midweek watch list for Wednesday, May 26th. 2021. S&P E-mini futures. Let's see exactly what's going on. Right here, let's zoom in. We're looking at the daily. We're actually in a waterfall. We had 1, 2, 3. A reversal took out the low, but then took out the high, bullish engulfment. And now we have 1, 2, 3 bullish. Okay. So everything looks bullish unless we take out the 4179 levels, then we will be bearish. Keep it very simple. Nothing extraordinary like that. We also have a poor high up here so far on the bigger picture, meaning no excess. We want to see more excess, something like what we see down here. Markets chopping around, sideways action this last day or two. We're kind of going nowhere, but we will see what happens. Let's take a look at the NQ. NQ, look at this. Last week we're making lower highs, lower lows. Well, guess what? We took out this high, right? So we are now bullish. On the short term, we're making higher highs, higher lows. Kind of creeping higher. We're in a reverse waterfall, so we're bullish. I actually like this. I think maybe it'll find resistance up near this 13,800 level. So watch that for potential move up and then a quick little pullback, and then we'll see what's going on. But overall, NASDAQ looks bullish. Let's take a look at crude oil. Crude oil, bullish, right? Just keep bumping its head up here. Potential breakout, maybe come back and retest these 68 level highs. If we could break through there, I would not be surprised if we go up to this 73, go retest a value area high, and also this swing high, which matches up exactly with this prior high back in September of 2019. So just something to keep your eye on and think about. So bullish on here, maybe a potential, also maybe a little pullback, and then create a shoulder, head, shoulder, inverse head and shoulders, bullish pattern there. Bitcoin, BTC. Bitcoin just lower highs, lower lows, kind of flagging out right here. Sideways action between this 32 to 4,000, 4,200 level. We're trying to hold the 200. I actually think, me personally, I think we're coming down here. I think eventually we're going to get to 22,000. We should have already been at all-time highs if everybody in the world's buying the dip. But the problem is I think everybody's trying to buy the dip, and so that's one reason for it to not go higher. So that's me personally, but we will see what happens. But right now, just sideways, right? We're in the middle of this range right here. So really nothing on Bitcoin. And then gold higher. I've been saying higher on gold for a while. Breaking out, took out this high. Now, we might be getting a little exhausted up here, so I won't be surprised if we actually start to see a pullback. Let's kind of clean up this chart. I would, if we do see a pullback, right, just draw a fib extension, right, from there to here, and look at how perfect this lines up. So if we see a pullback, I would love to be able to pick up GLD, right, the 38% level. So couple stocks. Apple, okay, we always look at Apple. It's just something that I love to look at to give me telltale of the overall market underlying strength. One of the things, we're being held down below this 150. So if we could break up above this 128 level, watch for a long, right? We are in a reverse waterfall, 1 2 3 4 5, so the market is bullish. If we take out these 126 levels, watch the overall market, because that means probably S&P's falling. And here's a couple stocks that I like for both day trades and longer term trades. Ford, look at this breakout today on Ford. I really like Ford. I know it's up after hours right as I'm doing this. It's almost 4 p.m. here in Vegas. We're at 1410. I do like Ford longer term for a long swing trade. Really good. And then BB. Blackberry. Look at this breakout, right? Lower highs, boom, boom. But you have divergence, right? Lower highs, double bottom down here. Okay, if anything, it's actually, let's draw this. Here's our divergence from there, and then from here to here, it's actually on an upslope. So nice divergence, breakout. This is the first breakout, lower highs, lower lows, boom, and then we're breaking out. I like this. If you could pick this up anywhere in the 9s, but this thing might get a short squeeze over the next couple of days. I would not be surprised if this thing ran up to about 14 very quickly. Maybe it's ready for another explosion. Think of it as a volcano, right? Big volcano came down, simmered down, things settle, and guess what? The volcano's waking up again. We closed above the 50. We're well above the 200. Nice area. If we do get pullbacks to about the 9, I love it, but I hate to say I don't think we will. So those are the stocks that I'm watching for. Hopefully this video's helpful. Quick video today, but be safe out there for the next couple of days of trading. Sideways market, I believe, to probably higher, and that's it. But as always, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.